welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, Mama, yesterday we got go to Thomas World and Mama got me the triple power push pop here. So I'm gonna open it and later I will do like that thing in the YouTube, like when that girl gets this and lick it when it's sharp, she's gonna get the other one again. Just gonna taste it. This will be a while or just a minute. Okay, I opened it. Okay, Mama, saan yung basura? Just a second. Or a lot of time. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. Just gonna open it. Parang ay. Okay. It works, everybody. It works. Wait lang, paano to? Tanggalin yung plastic? Paano to tanggalin? Yung plastic? Ay, nagon tayo. Pero may plastic. Ay, kunting na agad ah. Just gonna fix. So good. Good. Gooder than ever. Let me just open these. Okay, I opened the next one. Blueberry. I opened the pink one. It says here it's pink and it's strawberry. This green one is green apple.
What?
Green apple. Green apple to. Strawberry to. Blueberry to.
Magiging isip na to. Siya yung lalabas sa isip.
Mama, masyadong matagal ko to bukas.
Ginom ka ng tubig.
So that's it for today and triple power push. Nahihilo ako sa power. Wala naman pa. Yun parang power. Yung favorite ko dito yung ito. Wait lang, patingdang yung transmission nila. Lumay. Sobrang sarap pag mix. Good.
Paano magiging sharp yan?
Ha? Ilalik-click mo.
I don't like.
Hindi mo pa nga
Matamis kasi yung throat ni mama masakit.
Favorite ko yung ito, yung green apple. Everyone's my favorite. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow I will do a challenge for myself and it is gonna be hard. Okay, bye. So Sorry, I'm just gonna. Okay, now it's fine.